The elementary schools sent their supplies to their feeder schools, middle and high schools, and then a trailer from MTI picked up those supplies and brought them here.
So Mr. Curry, what we did is we separated, this is all body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and then this one's all soap and like body wash.
Tremendous.
So then, we separated body lotions and the shaving creams, and then there was a few dental products. So
well done.
What you like to do with those?
Make sure to get all these bags in this one box. We've boxed up those supplies, evened up the load, and took a number of supplies that were donated at our high school and have them loaded now on a trailer that is going to be picked up this afternoon and taken back to MTI. They're going to consolidate it with another trailer from Lake Weir High School, and then on Thursday, November 1st, they're going to take it to Blountstown High School, about 15-20 miles north of Mexico City Beach. And those people are in great need. Blountstown High School is just opening this Monday. The entire community and surrounding area was very badly hit, and these supplies are going to help them get back on their feet. They will be putting boxes and placing them in the tail of the trailer. Please stack this as level and as high and tight as possible.
We're learning how to properly load up a truck and trailer, and like the different things that we have to do to make sure that it's packed tightly and efficiently.
We're gonna put that one right all the way up there.
It's more than classwork now, it's actually giving us a purpose to do something.
Boom.
The issue with a lot of operations like this is that it's very simple to gather up supplies. It's very difficult to distribute them out. What we've tried to do, and I think done a pretty good job here, is consolidate the huge variety of items people have donated into single boxes or even single pallets of toothpaste, disposable diapers, canned food, box food, to try to make it easy for people on the other end to pick and choose what they need. I think I'll have second and third period box these up in boxes like this, because I just hate throwing bags of clothing at the people. That's just not fair. Our students and our little facility here was actually well suited for this operation. On a regular basis, we fill orders for the homeless and needy children in Marion County through the Marion County School System Psychological Services Group. We're fortunate to be in the right place at the right time. We had actually cleared out this portable for some other uses, and it turned out to be a great area for staging our Hurricane Michael supplies. We've been collecting them ever since the storm started, and today is our loadout day. So we hope to be done with our operation today and have this trailer on the way to Blountstown by Thursday.
We'll go to talk to the experts who can explain all of this way better than I can. So again, just be safe, keep your eyes out, and just follow me, okay, and have fun. This is, I think it's a pretty cool place.
Pathways to Prosperity has been giving students in Marion County a real-world look at possible careers that could be available to them when they graduate. The students at Lake Weir High School got to tour Townley Engineering last week, and it was something that they had never experienced before.
Really, I didn't know anything about manufacturing, so it opened my eyes of like how much work is actually put into it, because you have to do the molding and you have to have great teamwork to do it, and you have to just use different equipment every time, and it's just something different that I didn't even know even existed.
Being a part of this program helps these students see what everyday workers go through, and maybe helps them understand what life in the workforce is like after high school.
I think it was like really cool and a good experience for everybody that wanted to be in the engineering and manufacturing programs, and it gives you a good gist of if you really want to do it and what you will be doing.
Having new experiences and seeing some cool things are a part of these tours. But what about seeing something hot? Like really, really hot?
The thing that really caught my attention was when they were pouring the hot lava molding into the molds. That was really cool.
Some students are part of this program because they don't exactly know what they want to do in life. And some are a part of it because they had a sibling go through the program before them.
I want to look through different careers, and I don't know what I want to do when I want to grow up. My sister went through the process, and she said it was an amazing experience, so I wanted to try it for myself. I do want to go to college, but I do not know what for. I might want to go through programs. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just taking it one day at a time.
Even if these students do know what they want to do after they graduate, it does not take away what's to come in this program.
It's very exciting because I want to be a pediatrician when I grow up, so when we go and visit the hospitals and stuff, I'm going to be really looking forward to that, and I can see what it's like to be having like a doctor and what it's like of an everyday life and what they do and how they do it. It's just a great opportunity because I think it's really cool.
The second annual Safe Halloween Scene last week saw close to 2,000 people come through the doors, where different schools and departments had set up, many in themed-based rooms, to hand out treats and promote literacy.
We all love Harry Potter, and we thought that was a great idea. So did 2 other departments. That's why we have this huge room, because we're all Harry Potter. So we had to split it up, and we decided that the Hogwarts Express was going to be our station. So we have our little 9 3/4 platform that you come through to get to the train station. We made bookmarks for the kids, because we hope they're going to be reading their Harry Potter books. We obviously have candy, too, for them. And then we reached out to our favorite person at Bellevue High School, Mr. Englehart, and he made some ID badges for us.
We believe that every person that reads is a hero. So we wanted to go with the superhero theme and make sure that reading was fun and for people to know how exciting the comic books are and how fun they are to read and the informational value to them.
As the coordinator of health and wellness, I actually oversee a hospital district special project called Fitness and Nutrition in Schools. So in our 16 elementary schools and our secondary schools, we push different non-food reward systems. So we try to put less of an emphasis on candy and treats and more of an emphasis on healthy food options if we use food at all. So when Halloween came up, it's a perfect example to model to our schools that there's still other things that you can give away instead of candy. So what we decided to do is pass out crayons, because we chose the book The Day the Crayons Quit, and then we passed out coloring books that kind of send out our message.
Every Friday in October, the bus drivers of Zone 4, based at Lakewood Middle School, trade their normal blue uniforms for pink in honor of breast cancer awareness.
Well, we're getting together to support a positive cause. As you saw, everybody pretty much participated to support those who are survivors for cancer, just to be a support system, you know, because there's some who didn't make it, and we just want to root on the ones that's going through and still going through and keep them in our prayers.
It means a lot. It really means a lot. They good. To see them supporting me.
Just to keep those encouraged, again, who's going through, and you know, sometimes they may need the little encouragement, just coming to work and seeing everybody fully dressed in pink, you know, just for the support.
One night a year, the Bellevue High volleyball team also trades its normal blue uniforms for pink, this year enlisting in Amy's Army.
That just shows me that my circle is very big, and one of my favorite verses is, you know, there are 3 things that remain. It's faith, hope, and love is the greatest one of all, and this just shows me that I got a community of people that love me, and it's why I can do what I do. When I go to have a treatment, when when I'm not feeling good, I know I'm being lifted up by these people, and it just means the world to me.
Mickle, who has one daughter currently attending Bellevue and another who graduated recently, is taking the year off from her job as a teacher at N.H. Jones as she battles breast cancer.
Hey everyone, my name is Tim Jones and I'm here from the Golden Apple Academy to formally invite you out to our Teachers Night Out this Friday at 6 o'clock at CF. Though it is called Teachers Night Out, the invitation is open to all Marion County employees and their spouses. There's going to be a band there, there's going to be food. It is just going to be an incredibly fun time. I know that I've had a blast in the past of these, and we're all stressed out this time of year, and it's just a great opportunity for all of us to come together in fellowship and just kind of de-stress and just talk shop and not talk shop and just have fun.